Welcome, in front of me is a WIKO View 3, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, obviously we will want to open up settings right here, scroll down to system, then select reset options and choose erase all data factory reset. And once you do so, it will give you a message right here that performing this will remove things like your downloaded apps, music, photos, user data. So if there is anything of that sort that you'd like to keep, do back up your device beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. Now, assuming you have already done this or you simply don't want to, let's tap on reset phone. Now if you have some kind of protection on your phone, you will need to confirm that. So I'm just gonna draw my pattern and then choose erase everything and the process will begin. Now this will probably take about 3 minutes or so to finish up, and once it has, we'll be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.